What's up, YouTube? Today I'm giving you 5 millionaire habits that you must adopt in 2022 if you want to change your life. I have adopted these habits and they have absolutely transformed my life, and I want you to do the same. Also, I'll give a little bonus tip at the end as well because I rock with y'all. Now, let's get straight into it. Habit number 1. You have to believe in your abilities. You have to face all challenges and obstacles with the mindset of the belief in yourself and your ability to be successful. No matter what you face, you will not get to the point of be successful without going through these challenges and obstacles. Everyone wants life to be so smooth and airy and unrealistic at the end of the day. And listen, you gotta grind, you gotta hustle, you gotta take some risks, you gotta get some scrapes on your knees, you gotta take some punches and some knots at the end of the day, but those make you wiser. You know what I mean? Next time they swing, you duck, you bob and weave, you basically become more efficient the more you give yourself experience. Granted, this is not for everyone, which is why you have to have the belief in your ability. If you don't have belief in one's ability in yourself, this is not for you. Being a millionaire is just not for you if you can't believe in yourself. Let's get into point number 2. All right, habit number 2 that you need to do is just get done. Listen, procrastination is the worst thing that you can do. It's absolutely pointless and it gets you nowhere. What is the point of putting things off? Just do it right then and there. Like everyone, I want to do this. I want to be a YouTuber. I'll film tomorrow. Oh, I'm tired tonight. Listen, I used to wake up at 2 a.m. to be at my job for 3 a.m. I used to get off at 11 a.m. I used to come home and I used to grind on YouTube until the evening. I used to sleep 4-hour nights. Now, I'm not advising you to do this. You know, people got this thing against hustle culture and all that. That is fair and fine. I'm just telling you my story, my life, a little tidbit of what I did. I hustle. I sacrifice sleep. I sacrifice sitting down watching the latest, hottest Netflix show and all that stuff. I kept my head on audiobooks and a bunch of other things. I'll talk more on that a little later. Okay, habit number 3. You have to be willing to lose in order to win. So many people are afraid of losing or looking bad or embarrassing themselves. You're not meant or cut out to be a millionaire with that mindset. Seriously. And if you are afraid of losing, that's exactly why you don't win, because losing is a part of it. How many times have you seen so many people in successful positions fail in front of everyone, but then come back and bounce back on their feet? You know what I mean? Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Tim Cook, all of them, they all have their ups and downs, but at the end of the day, they stay true to the path. They understand sometimes you lose, but more than likely you'll win if you learn from every time you lost. And that's it. I take L's all the time, but I don't let it detour me. I could care less. Someone might be sitting there pointing at me, laughing at my L while I'm off to my next win. And then when I win and I blow up, now they look stupid because they were just laughing and focusing on the L. Don't focus on the L. Get to the W. All right, habit number 4. This is extremely important. Choose carefully who you allow to have access to you and to be around you. You need the right people around you and not the wrong ones. You can't be around negative people and be positive. Never underestimate the negative people around you. I'll say this again, never underestimate negative people around you. It's not worth keeping them around. Don't let it slide. Cut them off. That rubs off and it motivates nothing. At the end of the day, ask yourself this: do your beliefs align? And if not, cut them off, family or not. Sometimes you gotta distance yourself even from family members to get ahead in life. Trust me, I know. I left everything behind to move ahead, and I got ahead, and I'm going even further ahead. I can reintroduce those people at a certain point, but in my control. Habit number 5, very, very important. Read books. And if you're not a fan of reading, get audiobooks. That's what I did. I have a link down in the description below to Audible. I think it gets you a couple of free audiobooks, but I'll show you my Audible library. It's crazy. Matter of fact, I just flipped open my library. Let me just read off a couple of bangers to you guys real quick. The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone, absolutely recommended. 6 Months to Six Figures by Peter Voog, absolutely recommended. Be Obsessed or Be Average by Grant Cardone, absolutely recommended. Oh, one of my great favorites, F.U. Money by Dan Lok. I've listened to this book over and over. Absolutely love it. There's so many other books I'll highly recommend down in the description below for you guys. All right, I want to give you guys the bonus habit. Habit number 6, which is the bonus. Get to know money. Like, this is one thing that I'm dedicating myself in 2022, and I'll be sharing it here on this channel. I'm getting into investing. I'm understanding credit even deeper, buffing out and gardening my credit, trying to get that 800 something plus credit score. I'll be sharing that with you guys. I'll be sharing certain credit cards that I'm using, certain things that I've learned in the credit game, but it's extremely important. Now, we're not misusing credit, nor are we misusing finances or making stupid investments. All about smart, safe, knowledgeable financial growth and savings and things like that. How to move and understand how to grow and groom my money. Like, this is something that I've been longing to do. And in 2022, I'm dedicated to it. And the benefit is I get to share it with you.